what introduced you to trading and let us know a little bit more about yourself?
So I'm Kelvin. Yeah, I joined the mentorship like a few weeks ago. I don't think I have a month yet.
No, not a month yet.
Yeah, I'm pretty new here at the Discord, but I've known trading for a while. You know about what trading is when Bitcoin start to explode, and
Yeah.
everyone was talking about Bitcoin. At that time, I knew like what trading was, but I never did it like day trading. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. So
And just
how long did you like start trading in
yeah,
general?
I was gonna say that
Oh,
just like
I'm sorry.
last year, I'll say it on November, October, November.
Okay.
That's when I bought someone's mentorship, and that's when I went all in with my trading for real. Like start doing day trading, actually, taking it serious. That's the time. I don't have like a full year yet, like doing it
Oh.
full, like serious. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good. And yeah, I have a question. How did you hear from me? Like, how do you know me? Did you saw me on Twitter, on Instagram? Where did you like find me?
Actually, I knew about you because of Alex.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, because I really like Alex. He's so good. He's
yeah. It
such a
is.
good trader. Yeah,
It is.
he's such a good trader. So I met you through him. Yeah,
Okay.
and also Austin
Yeah,
Sim.
yeah,
I saw
Austin.
I saw your podcast too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I met you because of them. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. And Kel, what your trading looked like before the trading? Were you trading ICT or what kind of trading were you doing?
Before I was doing some strategies. I was trading YM, US 30.
Yeah,
I was trading YM, I was trading NQ. I was doing some strategies, I was using some ICT concepts, the kill zones and stuff.
yeah.
And actually, before I joined the mentorship, I got payouts. I got like
Nice.
21K payouts.
Congrats. Good. That's good.
But guess when was that? When was the payout? That was in January.
Oh, okay, understand.
You see? And I joined your mentorship, and now this is my second like big payout. So
Okay.
if you take a look at the time frame,
Yeah. So okay, so January you got your payout with the other
mhm,
like strategy. And what was like your I don't know, your payout, how much you made in payout during that time and what was your pro firm fees? Like how much did you invest for those payouts?
I didn't spend too much money for real. I spent, let's say, I invested 1K, 1.5K,
Okay, interesting.
and I made 20 grand. That's a pretty good ROI, right?
It is pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, interesting. That's very nice. So you made that big payout in January, and then after that, did you make any payout with that strategy, or what?
That's the thing. That's the thing. I made it
Okay,
on January, and
yeah,
just a few days ago, right? I sent I sent the payouts screenshot that I got like 10K payout. So from January to now, it's like 5 months, right? 5, 6 months. I don't know, 4 months. So I would say that one of my biggest issues with my trading was like having the consistency of getting consistent payouts, not blowing accounts. Everyone blows account, but like
yeah. Of course, everyone. Yeah. So do you think it was luck or it was maybe the time of the market or the condition you were able to have this big payout during the January, or why you think you were not able to replicate like those results throughout the year?
yeah, I think it was like a mix of
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, yeah,
Because I mean, I was starting, I don't have a year like trading, and I'm getting
yeah,
payouts, big payouts. I think I was doing good, but I was pretty new, and also the war,
yeah,
exploded,
yeah. I know.
and the market conditions like changed a lot.
Yeah,
Like a real markets were real rear. I don't know how to say it the right
crazy,
way.
crazy. Yeah,
And I was pretty new. I got caught up with that. And also it was a little bit of everything, you know.
Yeah, I understand. So, what was your biggest challenge before joining the mentorship? It was more like maintaining those payouts and like each every single month you will say, or what was like the
Yeah,
biggest?
I'll say it was
Yeah.
that like consistency,
Okay.
since I'm pretty new at trading, I was finding the things that I like, the things that I don't like,
Yeah.
because you need to learn what works for you and what doesn't work for you, you know. And I was doing some ICT comp sets. I'm still using like the ICT kill zones and stuff.
Yeah.
I use it like Confluence for the strategy, and now I'm here
Right. And how
trading
was
the
your trade?
IBD.
Yeah. And how was your trading change after joining the mentorship? What changed in your trading? We can talk about psychology. We can talk about risk management. We can talk about emotion. What changed, like in general, in your trading?
One key aspect like that I really know that have changed is like, you know, the confidence, like the confidence of knowing what are you looking for, with your trades. When you enter a trade, you know what you're looking for, you know where you're going, you know where your stops, where you stop, where to place your stop,
Yeah.
and what's your take profit, your actual take profit. And I would say confidence is the main thing, and I would say also like consistency, because I was doing like, I would say good for me. I was doing good,
Yeah.
but I'll say like I'm doing way better now, like in so many aspects.
Nice, nice. And were you surprised by those kind of results joining this mentorship?
Yeah, I'm surprised because the story is not easy. It's simple. It's simple, but it's
Yeah.
not easy because you
Yeah.
need to know you need to have like really good risk management
Mhm.
management. Because if you don't have it, you're gonna blow accounts like crazy.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's that's
No,
so
I
important.
agree. I agree. What's your thought on the strategy since joining? What was your first thought like when you discover, when you understand the strategy? What was your first thought?
I mean, I was watching your videos. I was watching. I remember I
Yeah,
mentioned before that I watched the podcast with Austin and everything, and I started to watch the videos. I was doing on the side. I was doing my strategy, but on the side, I was trying the strategy that you have on YouTube, the
yeah,
breakout, the one,
yeah,
and I was trying, seeing if I like it, seeing if it works, something that works for me. And like, how can I say? I really like the concept of the strategy. So that's what I say. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, let's try.
Okay, okay, I understand. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know you
Yeah,
watched this
yeah,
YouTube
yeah,
video.
yeah, yeah. You know
Okay.
the video I'm talking about, right? The one you
Yeah,
have, the
yeah,
one you
I
have.
know, I know. Yeah,
Yeah.
about the yeah, exactly. Yeah, I know exactly. Okay, interesting. And what was your best month or best week? So I know right now you're like maybe it's been what, like 3 weeks you've been in the mentorship and already like
Yeah,
10K?
I made 10
Like,
kids. Yeah,
yo, this is crazy, Kel. Like
I'm. I mean,
less than
I'm
one
using.
month.
Yeah, yeah, it's crazy, right? Like,
Yo.
but being for real, because I have my own system, I would
Yeah, yeah,
say,
yeah. Of course, of course.
and I'm using like the IB,
Yeah.
how can I say, my main strategy right now is the IB, right? And I'm using the other Confluence to
Yeah,
support
yeah, you
to
can
support
just
it.
you just mix it up. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's fine. Yeah, yeah.
and like the VWAPs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny 'cause I implement the VWAPs in my trading because of
Yo,
Alex and
yeah.
and Austin. I learned that
Yeah,
from them.
exactly.
Yeah,
But I told Alex about the VWAP, and since then he
yeah.
always like the
And
VWAP is so good.
I'm using it with the IB. It's so
Yeah,
crazy how
yeah,
good it works. Yeah, I use it like for stops, and it's so such a strong complement for the strategy
yeah.
for it.
I agree, I agree. So, what you're going to do with that 10K? What is the project with that payout? Like you just
I
made in less
mean,
than a month.
reinvested, bro.
Reinvest,
I'm
reinvest.
not I'm not doing nothing
Yeah,
crazy with the
it's fine.
money.
Yeah.
I mean, the only thing that I spend money is with my family.
Yeah.
And besides of that, I don't go for nothing crazy like, I don't know, buying a chain or buying
Yeah.
fancy clothes. No, I'm
Yeah.
a pretty, humble guy, pretty chill.
Yeah.
Let's say I'm reinvesting everything, getting more
Okay.
accounts.
Yeah. So right now, are you just trading Apex or you have other accounts?
Right now, I just have Apex. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm going for Lucy. Yeah, I really like Lucy.
Yeah. Yeah. I suggest it. They're very good.
Yeah,
Um.
because Apex, I don't know, man. I don't want to talk about problems and stuff, but oh my God.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Sometimes they can be a little bit weird, we'll
And
say.
they try to move me. They're trying to move me to life. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So yeah, be
Maybe I'm taking
careful.
too much money from me.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Be careful. So Kel, you made 10K in less than a month joining my mentorship. What is something you will tell a person that want to join my mentorship? And is it thing you don't know, should I join the mentorship of Jacob or no? What you will tell this person?
Yeah. Guys, listen up. You need to learn from a mentor, guys. Doesn't matter if it's Jacob or someone else, but you need to go to someone that it's, getting payouts, is having results, it's showing the traits he takes, the green days, the red days, doesn't matter. But guys, you need to learn from someone. That's my main, my advice for you guys. You need to go to someone that's getting payouts, that's having results, that everything is, online. Everything he's doing is online. He trades live every day. That's really important. You
Yeah,
know,
it is. It is. There's some people that don't trade live, and I'm just trying to be very transparent with everyone. So yeah,
if you join a mentorship and they not trading live, I don't know, man.
yeah, I agree. And Kel, what is something in the mentorship you like the most? Some people can say maybe it's the community. Some people can say the live stream. Some people can say maybe it's the backtesting or maybe the my recording I'm doing, like my execution. What you like the most about the mentorship? What aspect?
Bro, I really like I wouldn't say the customer service because we don't have that, but
Yeah.
I really like, that you always there, answering anyone that has any issues with the trading or the strategy or want to know, have any doubts, I don't know. And it's not only you, it's a lot of people there that can help you. It feels like home, feels close. It's not like one of those discords that the owners they're not there pretty much.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Okay. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it, Kel. If you have any more advice or you want to plug maybe your social or any last sentence you want to say to the world, and
I mean,
I will.
I'm not really into socials
No,
because I
it's
don't
fine.
I don't know. But guys,
Uh,
you have to join the mentorship for real. You won't regret if you join for real.
thank you, Kel. I appreciate you.